So, join us on this journey to discover 5 potent detox drinks that will cleanse your colon and liver and support your weight loss goals. Let's take a step towards a healthier, happier you. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Ingredients: 1 cup of kale. Packed with chlorophyll, kale helps to cleanse the liver and support detoxification processes in the body. 1 medium cucumber. Cucumbers are hydrating and contain antioxidants that aid in flushing out toxins from the body. Juice of 1 lemon. Lemons are known for their alkalizing properties and can help balance the body's pH levels, promoting overall well-being. This green cleanse elixir supports colon detoxification and liver cleanse and aids in weight loss by boosting metabolism and promoting satiety. Combining kale, cucumber, and lemon creates a powerful synergy that helps eliminate toxins, reduce inflammation, and support digestive health. To maximize the effectiveness of this elixir, it's best consumed in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows the nutrients to be absorbed quickly and kickstarts your metabolism for the day ahead. You can also enjoy this drink as a midday pick-me-up or post-workout refreshment to replenish your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporate the green cleanse elixir into your daily routine to experience the benefits of colon detoxification, liver cleanse, weight loss support, and overall well-being. Cheers to a healthier you! Detox Drink 2. Berry Blast Detox. Get ready to indulge in flavor and nutrition with the Berry Blast Detox, a delicious concoction that cleanses your colon and detoxifies your liver. Let's explore the preparation method and the numerous advantages of this vibrant detox drink. Preparation method. 1 cup of blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help to cleanse the colon and promote overall gut health. 1/2 cup of raspberries. Raspberries are packed with fiber and vitamin C, aiding liver detoxification and supporting a healthy immune system. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, promoting satiety and aiding digestion. 1 cup of coconut water. Coconut water is hydrating and contains electrolytes that support liver function and boost metabolism. The Berry Blast Detox is a powerhouse of nutrients that cleanse the colon, support liver function, and boost metabolism for weight loss. The antioxidant-rich berries, combined with chia seeds and coconut water, create a synergistic blend that helps to eliminate toxins, reduce inflammation, and improve overall digestive health. Detox Drink 3. Citrus Zing Infusion. Prepare to invigorate your senses and cleanse your body with the Citrus Zing Infusion, a zesty elixir designed to detoxify your colon and liver while promoting weight loss. Let's delve into the recipe and the multitude of benefits this infusion offers. The Citrus Zing Infusion is a powerhouse of vitamin C from oranges and grapefruits, along with the digestive benefits of ginger. This combination not only supports colon and liver detoxification but also aids in digestion, reduces bloating, and accelerates fat burning for weight loss.